it?
Yeah, we can open it with scissors.
I think this is like a, let's read it first. It says, sew your own fluffy cat pillow. And it's in your favorite color, Olivia.
Yeah, let's see what it has.
Okay, let's open it.
Here's the scissors. So you open it from the top?
Yeah, you can cut scissors. Ooh.
Ooh. Is this the stuffing?
I think so.
It feels hard. Stuffing's usually soft.
Yeah. This is fun.
I think they put this so you can... It's so soft. Mommy, feel.
Yeah. We quickly make it so you can have it tonight.
Hey guys.
Blah.
I cannot see anything.
Can you open this for me? I need the pink one, Olivia.
Okay. It's just tape, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
It just... Here. Well, you just pull it out. That's easy.
Oh, great.
No. So this is the needle, right? And then we're just gonna put this pink floss through the needle hole. Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay. It just needs a little patience and experience, and you will be able to put this through. Oh. And I shake the camera.
Shake the camera.
I know. So crazy. Ooh, did it go through? Did it go through, Olivia? Look. It went through. And we're gonna tie this into a knot.
I don't know how to do it.
So mommy's showing you. Ooh. Do we have a knot? No. Let's try again. Okay, now do we have a knot? Look. Do we have a knot?
Yes, we do.
We do now. And Finny's coming to help. Don't eat anything, Finny. Okay, I have to make a pattern like this. So we're gonna do it in the middle. Poke it through. What's he doing there? Now we're gonna make the mouth. So it goes down like this. And then now it looks like it's gonna...
I cannot see. Can you do that, Finny, please?
So now we're gonna make the nose and the mouth. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm super duper.
What do you think?
I love
Yay! And then so now the pink is done. And then where's the nose? Oh, here. And now what are we doing?
whiskers.
Whiskers, yeah. So, alright. Stop making fun of me.
I like to.
Uh-huh. Oh, I need you to help me cut this, please. Help me, please.
Here?
Yeah. Hey!
Oh, so only the bottom works.
Yeah. Okay, we did that.
It looks cute.
It looks cute.
Now what's the next step?
And now I need this pink piece. Can you find it for me? We need this. We need to put the
This
mouth
piece?
on the... Let's see.
This piece?
Yes! Great! And then, can you open the stuffing too? Because we need to use the stuffing soon.
I want to feel it. Oh, here's the stuffing.
Nice, we'll need it soon. So now we're gonna put this on this.
Do you hear?
Yeah. What are those?
Sequins.
Mm.
The one that you can flip and flip.
Mm.
There's one. I think it's a sheep.
I think so too.
Because look at the picture.
It can be anything actually.
I want it to be a sheep.
What about it can be a cat?
I just want it to be a sheep.
Okay. Because Olivia always wanted a sister, is that right?
Yeah.
I always wanted a sister too, but I had a brother.
Well, at least I have cousin sister.
Yeah.
2 cousin sisters. I have 3 cousin sisters.
And
good that I have a daughter, so it feels like I have a sister now.
Right? We look like sisters.
Our hair kind of looks the same.
Yeah.
We both have ponytails. You have one and I have two.
Yeah.
Or else I know not.
Okay, so you're gonna put some stuffing inside here and use that stick to shove it in. Yeah. Can you use the stick?
I'm gonna try this side.
Good. This side. It's gonna. Let me push some in first. Oh, there we go.
Look at this.
He's holding it.
Yeah. It's a baby. It's a polar bear.
Is it polar bear baby? Ta-da!
Can I feel the cushion area? Oh, it feels so nice. So you get this green eye piece, and then you is it this way or bottom way?
What do you think?
I think it's this way. Yeah, it looks. And then you just put the black eye piece on, and then it looks like an eye.
And then we're gonna put it where?
Right here.
Yay! Okay, let's sew that. Okay, the face done. What do you think?
Looks beautiful.
But I don't think we can finish this today. So let's put these away and then we'll finish it next time.
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back into our YouTube. Today we're going to continue the cat pillow.
Yay!
And this is part 2 because we took a nap.
Did we?
Yes.
Okay, and then Finny likes to block what we're doing, so we'll let him be.
Yeah. Will you help us since make the cat pillow since you're a cat?
I think he wants to learn.
Yeah. Let's tell him.
Yeah, so Finny, if you look at this book, Finny, we are actually on step.
This was what we were working on. This.
Yeah, we made a mouth already and eyes.
Hi, Vinny.
I remember what I'm doing now. So now I have to make a tail with this piece of fur.
This is where we made the stuffing.
Hi, Finny.
And this is the stuffing, the white stuff. It kind of looks like icing.
And Finny's kind of reading the book.
Now I have to find it again.
Finny. I think Finny really likes the cat pillow.
Yeah.
He's sitting on it now.
It's gonna smell like a cat too.
So we're actually gonna fold it inside out, and then we're gonna flip it inside out again. What? I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
And who got us this toy again?
And Bluesies.
And Boozies.
We're still fighting on a new name for him.
Yeah. How come his name keeps changing?
Cause we used to call him Ambrosies, but now I like to call him MBFF. And who messaged us there?
No, it's just a notification.
Yeah.
And look at Finny, I don't know what he. Oh.
Finny.
I'm working, Finny. I
Yeah.
almost ate your ear, Finny. Stop, Finny.
I'm not laughing that loud.
And I almost poked Finny with the needle.
My goodness. Finny, are you okay?
Finny is weird. See? Finny's ear in my mouth. I don't know what he's putting his ear in my mouth.
It's your mic.
I know.
Hello,
Hi, everybody. I'm gonna sing a song now.
Blah, 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 blah.
What's the song that we always sing? Yeah, let me think of one.
Yeah, we like to sing together in the shower.
Oh, Olivia's favorite song is You Are My Sunshine.
My poor sunshine poo.
You make me happy. Like, don't sing. What? What was that? Like, I'm singing and it's like.
Carlotta,
You are my sunshine.
my only
Sunshine.
sunshine.
You
You
make
make
me
me
happy.
when,
skies
when
are
you
And Finny, please.
And Finny rules mommy's hard work.
me from singing. Finny didn't like me singing. That's
Finny's
mean.
It's like this. Finny, you're so old.
Why do you say that? He's not old.
He likes it when I do this. What? Don't bite my finger.
He's not. He just wants you to pet him.
Ow. Ow. Weird Finny.
I think he thought you were playing with him. Because you did this. So he thought,
No, I'm doing this.
yeah, so he thinks you're like playing, like using the toy. Because when you scratch him, when you pet him, you have to go from here. Olivia, look. When you pet him, everyone, when you pet a cat, don't go like this because they think you're attacking him. When you pet a cat, you go below him and go like this.
Pet his ear.
Yeah, it's just like
Oh,
it's just like me. If I touch you, right, I go like like that. But if I go like that looks scary, right? Yeah, cats don't like that. There you go. Don't mess on my hair. Fix my hair, please.
Okay.
Thanks. Olivia's really good at fixing my hair, right?
Yeah, I'm a pro.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna tuck all the fur in there.
Okay. Looks like a weird tail. Vinny, can you show us our tail? Your
It's
tail?
like an envelope now.
Yeah. Vinny, can
Did you scratch you a little bit?
see?
Yeah, a little bit.
What's it called? It's over there, see?
Yeah. Just be careful next time. Because
But
cats
Vinny
don't...
did it like this.
Oh, just gently.
Yeah, a little bit gently, a little bit hard.
Because he knows you. That's why he doesn't want to hurt you. But also he was scared because he thought you were attacking him. Oh.
Did you almost poke yourself?
Yeah, I almost. And I actually accidentally stepped on Finny's tail yesterday. I'm so sorry, Finny.
Oh, I was not here yesterday.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Good that you didn't see it. You'll be sad.
I'll cry.
You're like, why did you step on Finny?
I'll cry.
So we're gonna push this in.
It's kind of pushing my sleeve hard.
Yeah, so push it. Use the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, push it in. I think you kind of broke it.
Oh, finally.
There we go. Oh, pull it out.
I have to be careful not to pull any fur out.
So we need to flip it inside out.
That's so soft!
Do we have a tail now?
Yeah.
Is that a
Finny,
tail?
it's kind of like Finny's tail.
Yeah. And Finny, can you move please? I need this piece underneath you. Hi Finny. I kind of need this.
Can you just lift him? That's easier, right?
Excuse me? Excuse me, sir. He loves that.
It looks like a real bird.
It's
It's
okay. Let's see if you can get Finny out of here. You almost hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Finny, do you want it?
Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. Good job. Oh, good job. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yay! Got it. Okay, bye, Finny.
Bye. The little bag. I can't wait to sleep with it
Yeah.
today.
Today, if we finish it today.
Or we might make, or we have to do it another day. The rest of a little bit more.
No,
on
I think
the-
we're gonna finish it today.
But then we might not have enough time to do the pizza.
Oh, the pizza's easy, don't worry.
All right, we did make a pizza video, but this time it's gonna be different because we're having different dough, I think. Kind of ish. And then there's different ingredients because it's a rainbow. You'll see what we mean rainbow.
It's exciting, Olivia.
I've seen it before. I never ate it.
I know, me neither. Can't wait.
If you put any lemon, I'm not eating it.
No, why would I put lemon in the pizza?
A few. I don't like lemon. It's that. Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna put it on here, and then you're going to use a marker to mark it first.
Do I have to take out these?
Yes.
Okay, let's put on one of these.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it was for. I did not know that. So
Hey, Finny, it's not your pillow, please. please.
Did Finny just blow out a tear?
He's like, what about me?
What about me? You don't care about me? Of course we do, Fancy. Fancy?
Fancy.
Fancy.
Vincent.
Fancy.
Is that his new name? Vincent.
No. These glasses look beautiful.
Hold on. Stop sleeping on here. I'm working on this. Right. Finny.
Fancy. Stop it.
Finny, please.
Fancy.
Finny, I cannot.
His name is Fancy.
Fancy, come on, Fancy. Good. Yeah, keep trying. Finny, I really need to work on this. Finny. Better.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Fancy. Let mommy work on it.
Please.
Police. It also call them the police.
Please.
Police.
Look at Finny.
He's like a little duck. Okay, so I cut that out, you see? Now I'm gonna cut the rest.
Oh, wow. How do you know how to do that? Why are you so smart?
Pro scales.
Oh, shoot. Where's the tape? Oh. Where's the tape? I will just work on you then. This will work, actually. Right?
He's like your table now.
Here's my table.
Oh my goodness, is it easier?
What if I sew your pillow on top of him? Then every time you hold the pillow, you have to hold him. What? Okay, I guess we have to work this way because Finny wants to be my table.
Yeah. Okay, I finished making the glasses. This is what it looks like.
You did so well, Olivia!
This is what I look like.
That's the first time you used a pair of scissors to cut out holes.
I did that before.
No, you didn't. Oh, he's going. He's actually going this time.
Yeah, by itself. Mommy, do you want to try it on you? This is how Mommy looks. Mommy, bring your face close.
It's so itchy. It's so itchy. It's so itchy. Oh, I think it's wool. I'm allergic to wool.
Yeah, I'm not.
We're not.
It's not so itchy. Oh, it's itchy to me too. Only on my face, not on my hands.
On my eyes, I itchy. You are allergic to wool too?
A little bit.
Oh no.
We're allergic to the same thing. I did not know that.
Well, because you came out from my belly.
Correct.
We're kind of the same.
Oh, Finny, don't step on the face.
Finny, excuse me. Finny.
Excuse me.
Finny.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I think this will make the people laugh.
Yeah, you always make people laugh.
The shell, so beautiful. It's the shell. Look, it's so beautiful. I need to get higher. Oh, Finny's laying down. Finny's laying down.
No, I'm gonna.
This is the shell. I thought my hand was on Finny's tail because I was doing this and it felt like Finny.
Oh, too many cats here.
Yeah, 3 cats.
Now we have 3 cats. Oh my god.
This is our 3rd cat. My poor kitty.
Hey guys, I think this is tougher than I thought. And with Finny holding my arm while doing crafts, this is tough.
I know how you feel. I know. You know how.
Here, look at this. Look at Finny.
Oh.
Like-
Oh.
How do I work like this?
I'm giving you comfort.
Thank you.
Like how you do to me.
Oh, thank you.
I'm treating you how you treat me.
Aww. I'm gonna put the stuffing in here, in her butt.
Through the butt.
Through the butt.
Through the butt. So I
But
got some stuffing through
yeah,
here.
let's put a lot in. Put the whole thing in actually.
What?
We have to make it super fluffy. Let's put everything in.
And then I'm gonna use this. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna take one piece at a time because I don't know if I'm allergic to it yet.
No, but you have to put it in anyways, and I'm gonna fold it, and you won't see it again. It's gonna be inside the kitty.
Nice poor little kitty.
Huh.
I'm gonna use my hand to stuff it up.
Yeah, maybe we drop.
Just some white thread. Are you doing good there? I chose pink thread because it matches. It took a big chunk, and then I'm gonna see if it will go in. Oh, it does. Why did I say that? Why do I say that? And why do I talk like this?
Why did you say that?
I need this tool. That's how it is so far. Oh, bye-bye stick. Whoa, that's a big chunk. It's so fluffy. It's like a cloud. It's like a cloud, Mossy.
It's like a cloud.
It's like a cloud.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. So I'm gonna just move this stuffing a bit to the side because it's not going to the side of it. I mean, I want it to stuff. Ta-da! This is the final result.
Yay! It has a tail, it has eyes, it has glasses that Olivia cut out, it has a tiara. What else does it have?
This thingy.
Oh, it fell off? Okay. Sorry. Putting it back is a collar.
Ta-da!
Aww, she's so cute. What's her name?
Her name is Meow Meow, the kitty.
Meow Meow.
Meow Meow, the kitty.
Are you gonna sleep with her tonight?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. And then now we're gonna make some pizza.
Let's do that.
And in the pizza video, you could tell it's the same day because we're wearing the same clothes. And
Yeah,
same
we're
hair.
not gonna change.
Yeah.
And it's dinner time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm hungry.
Let's go make it. Yay!
Bye.